Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set content security policy using .htaccess file in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So by using CSP, we are going to prevent XSS attack by specifying which sources are allowed to load content. So we are in file manager. Now you see .htaccess file. So right click on it and then click on edit. Now .htaccess file is open and we are going to add custom code. Now paste. Now you see we added header set content security policy default self. Now you see. So you can add this line of code in your .htaccess file to prevent XSS attack and then click on save changes. Now you see saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. Now go to website. So we copy our website URL. Now go to securityheader.com. So we are going to check it. Now paste and then click on scan. Now scanning. Now you see website scan done and then you see security header we added. Content security policy CSP we added and we verify also. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.